welcome to part 3 of my mini-series about vlogging. So the first year of vlogging, it was I was gaining subscribers, losing subscribers, and it was like a yo-yo, and I thought it was because of my contents. I thought it was because I wasn't good enough, kind of thing, you know. I'm not a perfectionist, don't get me wrong. I mean, whatever I put on is good enough for me. But you think these things, you start going through your mind thinking that, is it, oh, they're hating it, kind of thing, and you want to change it, but then you change it, but then you lose all people because you changed it. It's a tricky catch-22 situation. You don't know whether. Well, it's hard to say. I did mention this in the Sunday vlog a few weeks ago. Yeah, that's why I kept changing the concept, changing from daily to weekly, weekly to daily, and 3 times a week, 4 times a week, and well. So now I've set on Sunday vlogging, which works out perfect for me because I work Monday to Friday. The daily vlogging was getting to me because I couldn't edit properly. I was rushing the editing and blah blah blah. Weekly vlogging allows me to take my time, create new things, learn new things, find new YouTubers to watch. So Sunday vlog, yeah, I can get I can do more, spend more time, make it better, make it more interesting, plan what to say in between the vlogs and stuff. Because what I do is I talk. As you see, you must see my weekend. If you haven't seen one of my Sunday vlogs, check it out. You see the idea and what I aim to do. But I also have spontaneous ideas. So there'll be vlogs in the week, random vlogs that may be at 30 seconds to a minute long, just random. Like this video series here, it's just something I just thought of half hour ago. Just give it a go if you've never vlogged. Just go for it. Just video yourself on your phone, not share it, just watch it, see what you think. Just upload you saying hello with 30-second, 10-second vlog saying hello. Welcome to my world, you know. There are millions of YouTubers out there, and it is hard to get anywhere in this world, but I'm not in this for the money. I'm in this for a hobby and interest, and because I like creating. I like video editing, and to me it's a wonderful, wonderful platform. Okay, so that's it really. Take it easy, and catch you soon. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and twiddly pics.